What's up guys, Gadget Junkie here. In this video I'm featuring this universal handgun cleaning kit that was sent over to me to showcase for you guys. I'm going to unpack this on the bench for you guys so you can take a closer look. Stand by. This comes packaged in this hard shell carrying case. It'll fit nicely inside of your range bag. When you open it up, it's got everything organized inside of it. The kit has everything you'll need to clean your firearms except for any oils or solvents that you may use. All right guys, so I've had another universal cleaning kit that I've had for several years. It was time for me to refresh it, so I'm pretty excited about this one here. So this one here has both your brass brushes, jags, and slotted tips to clean your 22 cal 9mm size, which is going to be your 357, 38 special, 380, 40 caliber, and 45 caliber. They give you a little brush here that you can use for putting on the end of your rods, as well as your flexible cleaner. They give you brass and nylon brushes. You got a pick with a hook on it, bore mops, some fine tip applicators. This here is really handy because, as you know, getting oil in the exact place you want it can be challenging, and this here fine tip applicator makes that easy. Whether you have both a cleaning solution and an oil, or if you just use a CLP, you can fill these here with whatever you need. They do give you some patches to get you started. And so, you've got your handle that's universal. You can put this here on the end of your brass rods or on the end of your flexible cleaning rod here. This here obviously is going to be for your breeches that you can't remove the barrel and you need to get through the opening into the cleaning area, or into your barrel. So everything you need to clean and maintain your pistols are here in this kit. The only thing you have to add is your solution. So if you guys are looking for a really nice little universal handgun cleaning kit, I highly recommend this here. I hope this helps.